the end unit to own in this terrific complex. Gorgeous views to the south and west. Attached two-car garage is spacious and ready to keep your cars and toys out of the weather. Central air for summer comfort. This is the largest of the various floor plans offered here. The Magnolia. Spacious bedrooms and open living area make this a highly desirable and yet cost-effective way to enjoy monument living. Close to shopping, schools, YMCA, easy I-25 access for Denver or Colorado Springs commutes. It's perfect.